love you up into the Sigma chicken nugget. Ate, look, I love you up to the chicken nugget, the master.
Every four. Go. Yeah. Again.
Oh. Grabe. Ikaw na magaling. Wala pang picture na. Wala pang picture. Move out of the way. Ate.
Wait naman.
Okay.
Head first. Put your head down like that.
Ay. Dapat ibaba mo yung ulo mo. Right mo pa ako. Yeah, like this. No. Come here, Dia.
Done?
Yeah.
Kasi nakita ko yung paa niyo, butterfly na kagano, no? Magkahiwalay. Ngayon, lalagyan natin ng pulboy para yung paa niyo magdikit siya. Okay, ganun pa rin yung bilang natin. 300, 200 with kick to ha, with kick. Okay, ready? Go! Dito! Yan! Ayun o, oh, with kick pa. Tatlo na lang.
Tatlo na lang.
Hindi na magpapractice yung pao dyan. Yan. O, diba? Ganun na yung time nyo. O, diba? O, balik na ang empty taro. Tignan mo. O. Tali ka muna sa buhok. Kasi pag hindi tali sa buhok, kakakit na gano'n mo. Paano mo pang makikita? Tali ka muna ng buhok. Ano pa yung tali? May tali ng buhok niya. Tali ka muna ng buhok.
I think that.
Power Neil! Power! Lakas ang arms mo! Kailangan umakas yan! Yan! O, timing! Yan! Timing! Isa! Dalawa! Ayun na! Yan! Timing! Isa! Isa pa lang eh! Isa! Dalawa!
Bilang na 1, 2, 3, 4. Kamay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate, ha?
yung paa niya. Hey! Siya! Dolphin kick! Yan. Siya, 2 dolphin kick. Streamline yung kamay.
Tanggal.
Okay. Isabel! Siya, pag nag-dolphin kick ka, streamline yung kamay. 1, 2. Oh, breaststroke. Oh, streamline. 1, 2. Always streamline. Isabel! 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 Back against the wall. Oh, Isabel! Isabel! Ay, ay, ay. Iyan. First go. Paglabas sa guwit. Paglabas sa guwit. Oh, ready, go.
Zara.
Oh, dito. Okay. Para. You practice with everything. Left and right breathing. Ano? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no kick tayo ha. No kick tayo. Arm pulling lang tayo. Full boy and paddle. 300. 300.
Nakaiwan ka na.
Anong gagawin?
Pwede na cold water.
More. Blow your nose. Then
That's
pull your
cold.
right. Then look up.
Is it not
Get
cold?
up. Hold your breath. Left.
Initan siguro sa kotse.
Anong gagawin?
Go na siya.
1, 2, 3. Blow your nose. Pull your right. Look
Freestyle
up.
every 3. Every 3 ah. Left and right.
Oh, go down. Every 3 ha. Then no kick. Arm pulling lang tayo. Swim every 3.
No kicking.
Oh.
Baga na. Traffic, traffic.
God. Breaststroke. Circle. Okay, Isabel. Muna ka na. Hanggang dito sa akin. Oh, Brianna. Give way, give way. Oh, Isabel. Ready? Go. One, two. One, two. One, two. Breathing right side. One.
One. Nakawa na tayo 6 daw, di ba?
Opo.
Nakawa na.
Anong ginagawa? Pupunta kasi po yung tubig.
Okay. Rest muna kayo, 3 minutes. Tawagin ko kayo mamaya, ha? 3 minutes break.
Opo.
Tagalog nga kasi.
Oo. Opo.
Left.
Uy, dali lang.
One,
Diba
two,
sabi
three.
pagka
Oh, yan, hangin. Oh, yan,
matanda,
gagamitin mo to, ha? Gagamitin
matanda.
mo to, ha? Pag
Opo.
hindi mo ginamit, hindi ka mag-replay.
Pagbata,
Silvia ko si Brian
Oo.
na mag-replay na.
diba?
Hindi mo ginamit yan. O, unahin ko si Brian na. Gusto mo? Ayun,
Opo.
First siya, ha? Okay. Okay. Oh, giveaway muna kayo. Dito kayo muna. Dalawa kayo. Dalawa tayo muna kayo. Ayusin ko. Kunin ko lang. Bagas na to.
Michael, wala kang
Brianna.
Ganyan ba? Oo, ganyan. Tapos ganun.
Brianna. Brianna. Mag-kick ka ng malakas. Ha? Kick hard. Then, diba left? 1, 2, 3, kuha ng hangin. Pag mo ng hangin, left agad. Mabilis yung left. Mabilis yung left, ha?
Dive ka nga. Dive. Go. Jump dive.
Dito, walang play.
Walang tingnan mo na sa line.
Oh.
Kala yung ganda eh. I-video mo yung kay Gion. Para alam mo yung kagayahin. Ay!
Ready?
Don't touch the rope, Zia!
Okay, Isabel. Isabel, pwede na ka
Ganyan.
mag-play ni Libre na.
Ako na!
Yes. Sabi ko sa kanya. Okay. Up kayo dyan. Hindi ko siya matutulungan dyan. Okay. Shake. Tip, tip. Ang gusto mo kasi pag dive, breathing ka agad. Wala na. Sira na ka agad pag ganun. Gumawa ka muna ng speed bago ka mag-breathing. Wala ka pang nagagawang speed eh. Wala mag-dolphin kick, i-stop mo na. Gumawa ka muna ng speed.
I wanna see. Ano?
Attack the wall! Attack the wall! Go, go, go! Attack the wall! Ayan na! Sarah!
Wala na.
Zia! Attack the wall, Zia!
Kick ate. Kick, 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 kick. Kick ate.
Kick the wall! Sia!
Tumutusok na. Very good ah. Dati parang ano lang, lilipad lang natin.
Talon lang.
Ay, Taya. Last na. Every four lang, huwag naman every four lang. Kaya single four lang. Yung paa mo, kaya ka lumabot yung paa mo, hindi mo na ginagalaw. Importante yung foot ng paa. Relax na tayo ha. Go! Ata!
Ay, wow.
Ata!
Galing natin ah.
Atak na! Wow!
Wow!
Sabay.
Galing natin.
Ayo. Ready?
May kailan.
Sagad nyo na, para mag-try na kayo. Todo nyo na. Para, give way. Aidesin! Siya, habol!
Dia! Attack the wall!
Aba, may attack the wall ka. Kala mo kanina slow motion.
Biglang gumanon ah.
Tara.
Akala ko sinsik yan.
Hola. Singpora. Matula do.
Ate, head cup.
Sarah.
What's that?
It's a Zara. Zara. No, you have to put an A there. Come on. I need thing and sticky one. Wait, water? Wait. Water helps it stick. Dito muna kami. Ito. Zion. These are not sticky. Bakit po, Mama? One of them is. Ay! Oh! Sticks!
Si
No,
Coach
no,
Aaron.
no, it's from the Mama, bakit? Mama, bakit?
Ingat.
Bye-bye!
Remember everybody.
So, how's the training, guys?
Fine.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Hmm? Tired?
Hindi.
Tired kaya?
No.
Then review tayo later, okay?
Okay.
Ate, review tayo, okay?
Cool. I'm cool.
You, review tayo.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Hey, Dad.
Hmm.
Can I tell you something? once school is done, next month can I try planning myself to make my own VR to fit my Switch? Like, for example, it's like this. You know, you remember my Switch? I can take off the controllers, right? I was thinking I need something like the size of my Switch. Put it inside, wear them, and then I can do this like this. I'm gonna do it. But when I'm done playing them, I'll take it off, put it down, do this, and then I'm gonna poke holes and then watch like that.
Okay.
What do you think? Is that a genius?
Are you hungry? Because of training?
Yeah. I want to grow, be strong, and then my world make happy. Is it?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm almost over.
I want to
Say bye-bye.
grow and
Say
be
bye-bye.
Bye. Make happy.
Are you tired of training?
No.
But you're hungry?
Yeah. Look where we are.
Very good ka sa dive kanina.
Yeah. Look. Yeah, ate. Let me do it. Let me do it. And this is gonna taste good. 3, 2, 1. I'm dying by eating this. This is the best thing I ever taste.
Hmm?
This is the best thing I ever taste. Ate, try it out. Put fries and chicken nuggets and gravy. It will taste brilliant. Here, remember from the Danny chicken nuggets? I'm gonna go. Give it. Go. I love you up into the Sigma chicken nugget. Ate, look. I love you up to the chicken nugget, the master. Well, eat him already. No, he's a double Sigma chicken nugget. Let me eat it later. Okay, then I'll eat him. No! Nobody dips chicken nuggets in gravy. It tastes good. It tastes good. You never taste it because it just tastes so good. Bro.
Rest ka na niya natin, okay? Then review tayo.
Ano
Okay.
oras?
Okay?
Ano oras?
Later.